We thank the heavens. Today is Holy Thursday 2026. We were given the grace to experience Jesus' loving, humble service in Carmel of the Holy Trinity here in Baguio. O Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, this is the only Carmel where you are here with your statue as doctor of the church proclaimed by Interfaith Saint Pope John Paul II. And now, we want to immortalize this sacred prophetic Carmel of the Holy Trinity because last year, Holy Week 2025, we are also here. We were here. And we were allowed to have the video shoot because we offer Malacanang office of the Philippine President. We dedicate, we offer here the sacred prophetic presidency of His Excellency President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. and his cabinet members. So now, today is the fulfillment of your promised graces, especially since through your intervention, I was able to go to France and Belgium. So, once more, may these sacred prophetic graces of our YouTube video with the Bayumbong Nueva Vizcaya delegation, there is, we call her mother, of course, Josephine Naslangan, and the sister, Manya Naslangan, Bartolome. They represent here the office of the Philippine President in Malacanang because Ate Josie was able to offer, to dedicate the sacred prophetic covenant marker of His Excellency President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. as inspired by Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, Saint Joseph, and Saint Padre Pio on September 23, 2023. This marker we will able to bring in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and above all in France and Belgium with high climax in the Paris Philippine Embassy with Philippine Ambassador to France and Monaco, Principality of Monaco, Eduardo Jose A. de Vega. So you see, Saint Therese, this is the fulfillment of your promised graces. Now, we will claim the triumph of the Marcos Jr. presidency in the Philippines for the world. Can you sing just bendición mo alamin po iginagalang pinupuri po namin at pinasasalamatan ngayon at hanggang kami po'y nabubuhay dito sa mundong ibabaw at magiging sandatang matibay ng aming kaluluwa at katawan siya naway. Amen. God's merciful love for what Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus entitled the Philippines Transfiguration Temple for the World. Amen.